Hello bafethu, it's your boy Menzi. Le ntwana senqamakho ehlala eDimbaza, 15 kilometers away from King Williamstown, in the province of the Eastern Cape. Now you know. Here's the name of the show. Uzit bafethu. Uhambani. Namhlanje ke siphethe umba obaluleke kakhulu in terms of South African industry. South African industry showing us flames. South African industry bring us artists and iphinde izikhabele ngaphandle. So namhlanje we do have Anonymous. Sabe sincokola naye ke Anonymous, then ke sabe break down what's happening, who's it, kuhambani bafethu in the South African industry. There's a lot of artists ezinkulu besike sazibona zibig on our screens, then saphinda sazibona sezifeyidile. There's a lot of artists from underground ezifuna uba kwi-mainstream, but it's hard for them to be on the mainstream. Then we have big artists okozazi kwi-mainstream from the get-going, and they are still relevant even today while they had 2 decades in the space. Now, kahle kahle bafethu kwenzeka ntoni?